Hello students, let's start from our chapter number 31, Ecological Terms. In your GK textbook, there are so many crosswords and you are solving from previous class also. So this is not the new topic, but let's see some questions. In the first question, it is given destruction of forest without replanting trees. Destruction, so you have to remember one word. Destruction means deforestation. You can see from the above side. DE, destruction, DE, and deforestation. You can divide this spelling if you can't able to remember. D, forest, and the spelling of station. From these three words, you will get to know and you will remember the spelling of deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down more trees. Now question number 2. It is the process of preparing manure. Now what is the manure? Manure in the sense we eat food. But why we eat food? Because we are hungry. So in this sense, plants also become hungry. So they also need food. So their food is manure. If you add manure to the plants, then your plant become healthy. And what is the manure? You can see here. Manure is the decomposing leaves, grass, fruits and vegetable peels and leftovers. The things which are used before. Those things you can add in the manure. But that things are decomposed. So the answer is lying in this question only. Compost. Compost. Your second answer. Let's see the third question. Substance capable of being decomposed by bacteria or other living organisms. Number 3. Biodegradable. It is also you can divide into 3 parts. Biodegradable. What is the meaning of biodegradable? The substance or any living organisms decomposed by bacteria. You know the meaning of bacteria? Bacteria which is lying over on the floor. That bacteria decompose these substances and that substance we will say as biodegradable substances. Number 4. An inconspicuous appearance adopted by an organism in order to deceive possible predators or prey. It's camouflage. You can see from the image, I will show you here. Let's start our next question. Now across questions are done. Now here you have to do the down questions. Rainfall made so acidic by atmospheric pollution that is cause environmental harm chiefly to forests and lakes. Now here all of you had heard the word acid rain. Acid rain is one type of rain. If you get wet in this rain, you can feel sick and tired. Because we are responsible for this acid rain. Why? Because we are not growing more trees and we are polluting the air. So the acid rain is the polluted rain. So please be careful and grow more trees. Now next question is number 6. A process of sorting and collecting rubbish in order to treat it and produce useful materials that can be used again. Now what is this? Question number 6. Recycle. You can see the image of recycle. It is given here. Recycle. the things which you can use again and again. So this process you can say as recycle. Now the last question. An organism that breaks down dead and decaying plants, animals or their waste products. For example, earthworms, fungi, bacteria. These types of organisms you can say them as decomposers. Earthworm, fungi and bacteria are very helpful to us. As you know why? Because without the help of earthworm, the field is not be fertile. Chapter number 32, Books and their authors. Read the first line. It's very good. Books are the best friends. If you read so much books, then you will gain so much of knowledge. So please start to reading the book. Here there are so many authors are given. What is the meaning of author? Author, those who write the books. You have to just match the author name with the name of the book. First is Vishnu Sharma. He wrote the Panchtantra. That you had seen so many stories of that. Second is Rudyard Kipling. He wrote the book Jungle Book. That you know very well. Question number 3, Jonathan Swift. He wrote Gulliver's Travels. Gulliver's Travel means a big, huge man who lost in the land of tiny peoples. This book is related to that story. This book is so interesting. If you will read, then you will like it. Now next is R.K. Narayan. He had written Swami and Friends. J.K. Rowling. She wrote the book name is Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. Harry Potter you know very well. Some of them are fans also of that story or books. Number 6, Mark Twain. Mark Twain has written The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Next is R.L. Stevenson. He had wrote Treasure Island. Number 8, Jules Verne. He wrote 1001 Nights. Next is Kalidas. He wrote Abhigyan Shakuntalam. Shakuntalam is so famous story. And the last one is Charles Dickens. He wrote Oliver Twist. So now from this chapter you should try to learn in any interesting book from this list. You have 10 options. So you can Google it and read it from your phone or you can purchase it also. Okay, bye.